What's up, guys? Welcome to my first video on the channel. So we're gonna start here. Wading the Huron today. It's pretty nice, like 73 degrees out. It's afternoon. See if we can get here. It'll be here a couple hours, so hopefully we get something. But yeah, I mean, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Let's get right into it. And here we go. So I fished this one time. I caught one bass, but it was early spring. Still got that shallow swim around there. I walked past the really shallow section. I didn't catch anything though, so see what we can do. It gets deeper a little further up. I'm kind of hitting bottom right now. I'm tempted to throw a rooster tail on. I feel like this will get me something if there's a decent sized fish here. Beautiful day. And kind of take that. I see some little guys chasing it. Too small for this. I'm up here on a bit of a hole. A lot deeper than it was when I was here last time. Where I'm at right now is could stand on the dry ground. Pulling a little rooster tail now. I lost my shallow swimmer. I feel like it was a pike. Like it really felt like a fish, and then it just broke off instantly. So that was a good knot. I've caught a few fish on that knot. So I don't know. I'm kind of bummed out about that lure, but get some more. It's my favorite lure, especially for this kind of fishing. I think there'd be some panfish at least, like a bluegill. They tear this up. I had something. Little nibble. See if we can get him. Perfect. Same spot. There we go. Hell yeah. I want this bad. Don't come off, bud. Don't come off. Don't think I need a net. You know what? Screw it. We're netting. Little rock bass. You take that. Put this on the magnet. Thank you, buddy. We struggle. Here we go. Look at him. Thank you. I'm all about, you know, a nice little gentle release. Let's go. Alright, that's a start. Honestly, if I could inspire one person just to get out there and fish, mission accomplished. It doesn't gotta be complicated. Just get a rod. In this kind of water, you just need some water shoes and some shorts, man. Don't need waders. It's pretty warm. I mean, you get cold after a minute, but got a little beach right there. It's perfect. Another fish. Let's go. Oh, he came off. It's all right. Get back up in there. Stay off the tree, hopefully. As I do what I said that I wouldn't. Saved it though. Another cast up into this pocket here as I grab a branch. Okay, we're gonna finesse it. There we go. Forget that. Oh yeah, let's go. That's a fish. Let's go. I'm just gonna net everything. We gotta get some fish on. Ooh, he's... Go. Alright, I'm struggling here, guys. I do apologize. Get some line out. Please cooperate. Excuse me? Excuse me. I'm gonna need some pliers here. Little spots. It's a pretty fish. Thank you, buddy. As my rod sits at the bottom of the river. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. A little pike? It is a little pike. He's not happy with me. Let's go. Let's go. Little northern pike. They are some feisty ones. Any of you have ever had the pleasure to catch a freaking pike, they are some feisty guys. Let me get this audio before I pick you up. Excuse me, sir. He gave me a hell of a time. He can have that. Holy moly, that was in there. It's the only complaint about treble hooks, man. Especially on pike. Like a small little pike. Be tricky. Hi, guys. They're cruising. Sweet. This fish is a little hole now. Back to the fishing. Gotta be something up in there. Say maybe under that tree. Oh, fish. Oh, little fish. Oh, he came off. Say, I thought I was dragging bottom. That's a fish. See if he went back. Another one. Let's go. See, grab him. A largemouth. I'll take that. Not hooked too bad. Thank you, buddy. Gotta love the little ones too. He's about to. Lure up in that tree. Oh yeah, some fish. Unless she came off. No, he's still there. Little bluegill. Sunfish? Sunfish. Little sunfish. Thank you, buddy. First little sunfish here. I like him. deep. Yeah, I think this is it, guys. I'm gonna make some casts and then fish our way back. Try and get one up in there. I like that. Current's stronger there. There's probably not one there. Trying to work the edge of that current there though. There's a lot deeper there. See if they'll let me by you. Just passing through. Just passing by. I don't want no trouble. Beautiful birds. I just don't want to get too close. Maybe this will turn into a swan attack video. Little swan attack upload. Fisherman gets jumped by 2 swans. I think we'll be alright. They're kind of doing their thing. I'm just trying to get through here. Problem is, they're going downstream with me. Yeah, I'm stopping. All right, sweet. Let's go. Take that. One for the road? That's a bluegill. Yeah, buddy. Still figuring out the height. You guys can see what's going on. Nice little fish. Sweet. One for the road. We love that. All right. Is that a fish? I think that is a fish. Well, hello. Oh, we'll take that. He's a fighter. It's gotta be a pike, eh? That is a pike. Well, why thank you. I'll take him to shore. There we go. And they are feisty. It's a fail. Hey guys, forgot to film an outro. Just wanted to thank anyone who watched till the end. This is my first time editing and I hope to improve with some time. All I could say is get out there, enjoy nature, catch some fish, and tight lines.